immediately allows the queen and dark-squared bishop to develop. If white captures on e5, black may try to regain the pawn with knight c6.
Nope.
You overlooked an opportunity to tactically win a pawn. You allowed the opponent to eventually win a pawn. You win material, taking advantage of the pinned defender. You permitted the opponent to win a knight through a fork. There was only one good move, and you found it, placing the rook in an open. You missed an opportunity to...